Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about this Tecno mobile setting, and today friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile guys system setting, and today video title is how to fix network problem, how to solve network issue problem in Tecno mobile. Friends, you have network problem in Tecno mobile. So friends, how to solve network problem one by one, step by step, friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, you have Wi-Fi network problem, friends, you have Bluetooth network problem, and you have your mobile network problem. So friends, how to fix problem? Open your phone system setting. After on your phone system setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, in your device, click here reset option setting guys. After on reset option setting, friends, click here reset network setting. This will reset all network settings including phone Wi-Fi, phone mobile data network and Bluetooth network. So friends, after reset, click here. After 5 seconds, network setting has been reset. And friends, now you can connect your Wi-Fi, you can connect Bluetooth device, you can on your mobile data, and you can use network setting. Friends, Wi-Fi will on automatic. And friends, you can select Wi-Fi network and you can connect Wi-Fi network. So friends, I will connect my Wi-Fi, and friends, we will check Wi-Fi will connect or not. Connect option, click here, and friends, Wi-Fi network will connect without any problem and you can use it. Same here friends, on your phone Bluetooth, and you can connect Bluetooth device in your Tecno mobile. Click here on Bluetooth. After on, you can use Tecno mobile Bluetooth setting, and friends, you can on your mobile data and you can check. Friends, again you have any problem, so friends, you can on aeroplane mode for 5 and 10 seconds. After 10 and 20 seconds, turn off aeroplane mode, and friends, you can check your mobile network and Wi-Fi network setting. Again friends, you have any problem, so friends, you can power off your Tecno mobile. So like that friends, we can use network setting. And friends, again you have any problem, take a screenshot your phone model and send me on comment section. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.